Hello everyone, my name is Amrita Chandra. In the previous video, we saw the glimpse of the entire project on bank customer churns. If you haven't watched it, check out the link in the description given below. Now in this part, we will see how the visuals and the individual charts are formed. The first visual clearly shows the age group wise number of churns. In order to create this, I will have to create age bins from age. I will go to create, then bins. The bin size will be 5. I will click on OK. I will drag and drop this field in column and then sum of exit in rows. Then I will go to quick table calculation and convert this to percentage of total. Now I will drag and drop this field into color to clearly show which age group experiences maximum churns. Going back to the dashboard, the second visual clearly depicts the percentage of customers who have exited among those who have registered their complaints. In order to create this, I would need to put sum of exit in columns and complaints in rows. Now I will select this chart and I will go to quick table calculation and then again convert this to percentage of total. I will drop this in label. The third visual shows segregation based on country and it is a map. In order to create this map, I will put country in rows and sum of exit in columns and then I will select the field map. I would put country into label and then go to quick table calculation and make this percentage of total. I will again drop this into label. It clearly shows that in Germany and France, the churn record is double as compared to Spain. Going back to the dashboard, the fourth visual clearly shows credit score group wise number of churns. In order to create this, I would need to put credit score group into columns and sum of exit into rows. I will make this continuous so it looks like histogram. Then I would need to make a color distinction between credit score group above 600 and credit score group below 600. For this purpose, I need to create this calculated field. I will drag and drop this calculated field into color and clearly we can see the distinction. Now going back to the dashboard, the fifth visual shows subscription wise number of exits. Now I will put product subscribed in columns and sum of exit in rows. I would exclude this part and show this. It clearly shows that customers who have subscribed to only one product exit more. Now going back to the dashboard, there are total 5 cards. In order to create this first one, I would drag and drop country in here. I will go to measure and then distinct count. I will drag this to label. I will go to text, edit text and I will write here presence in and here I will write countries I would reduce the font size to say 12, and also for this one. Now I will click on OK. The second card shows female and the male counts. In order to create this, I would drag and drop gender in columns, and then I would drop count in text. I will go here and hide this label. I will make this entire view. I will right click and go to format. I will increase this size to say 16, and same with this header also. I will make the font size to 16. It's done. Now moving to the dashboard, there are total 10,000 customers, and in order to create this card, I would duplicate this one, and instead of count of country, I will put here count of customer records. I will go to tooltips. I will remove this field and insert count of customers. I will click on OK. I will go to text. I will edit the text and write here total customers. I will reduce the font size to 12 and click on OK. The third card shows the total number of active customers. In order to create this, I would again duplicate the sheet. I would remove this field and drop here sum of active customers. I'll go to tooltip and insert here sum of active customers. I will go to text, and in the next line I would write active customers. I'll make the font size to 12 and also remove the bold. The last one shows the number of customers who have exited. Again, I would duplicate this sheet. I will remove this and drop exit here. I will go to tooltip. I will delete this and insert sum of exit. Click on OK. I will go to text, and in the next line I will write have exited. I will reduce the font size to 12, remove the bold and click on OK. The visuals and charts are ready. In the next part, we will see how to create the final dashboard using the visuals. Thank you for watching, and with this I would like to end my presentation.